Boil lemons in the evening and drink the liquid as soon as you wake up. You will be surprised by the effects. Lemons are among the most beneficial fruits, and it is a member of the citrus family. Despite its amazing fresh flavor and taste, lemon is full of nutrients and can be used in countless different ways to treat various ailments and diseases. Yet, only some people are aware of the benefits of the lemon peel, which can be even 5 to 10 higher in nutrients than the fruit itself. Lemon peels are rich in magnesium, potassium, vitamin C and A, folate, and beta-carotene. Therefore, you can gain a lot more benefits by consuming lemons unpeeled. Researchers have found that lemon peel contains salvestrol Q40 and limonene, which detoxify the body and fight abnormal cancer cells and carcinogenic substances. Lemon peels are also high in flavonoids, that effectively prevent breast, colon, and skin cancer. The polyphenol flavonoids lower bad cholesterol, LDL, levels, and vitamin C and B in the peel clean the blood vessels. Studies have shown that unpeeled lemons can help you prevent heart diseases, high blood pressure, and diabetic heart disease. Moreover, the high vitamin C content boosts bone health and prevent osteoporosis, inflammatory polyarthritis, and rheumatoid arthritis. Consuming lemon water first thing in the morning right after you wake up is something that will definitely help you start off your day with a kick of energy. This is a drink that is able to flush out all of the toxins that have built up over the night and help your body work in a proper way. Health benefits of lemon water. 1. It will help you deal with asthma. The lemon juice is rich in the essential vitamin C, which has been frequently linked to affecting the asthma in children. There have been plenty of researches which have found out that a low intake of vitamin C has resulted in an increased risk of asthma during the childhood. So, by keeping up a good intake of vitamin C, which is found in lemon water and other citrus fruits in abundance, you can help to supplement a medically arranged asthma treatment plan. 2. Will improve the health of the eye in diabetics. The diabetics face many challenges when it comes to their health, but one of the most significant ones is being prone to damage to the eyes and vision, which can often lead to severe or complete blindness. One study has shown that the flavonoids, which are found in the lemon and other fruits and vegetables, can help prevent the development of cataracts in diabetics. This is considered to be of a great benefit because the cataracts is a degenerative eye condition causing blurry vision and blindness over a longer period of time. 3. Is able to lower your blood sugar levels. The bioflavonoids in the lemon are a type of antioxidants that have many significant benefits. There have been plenty of researches which show that 2 of the citrus bioflavonoids found in the lemon can significantly help reduce the blood sugar levels. They can also help to manage the blood sugar in other ways, such as how it is stored in the muscles and in the liver too. This can really be of much help in the case of diabetics and people with impaired blood sugar levels who absolutely need to control their blood glucose levels. 4. It will help in preventing kidney stones. Have you ever had to deal with kidney stones? They are known to be extremely painful, and unfortunately, some of us are at a higher risk of getting them than other people. The diosmin, which is a flavonone antioxidant found in the lemon, has been found to have very positive effects on decreasing the occurrence of kidney stones in the body. Its effects are as powerful for this illness as that of some very popular drugs. The diosmin helps in decreasing the urinary calcium and phosphorus in the kidneys, as well as helping to increase the overall urinary volume as well as serum calcium levels, all of which help to ease the pressure on the kidneys and stop the development of any stones. 5. It is excellent for your heart. The lemon water is also a terrific source of potassium, which is a vital mineral that is essential and helpful in a variety of bodily functions. The potassium is good for the heart because it plays a very important role in helping the muscles, as well as those in the rest of the body, to function in a proper way and pump blood all around the body. 6. It is an excellent source of antioxidants. Plenty of the positive effects which are produced by the lemon water are through the action of the powerful antioxidants with which the lemon water is filled with. Both the vitamin C and the other bioflavonoids that are found in the lemon juice are antioxidants that can help to target the free radicals and reduce all of the harmful oxidation. 7. It will help you soothe the sore throat. The lemon water, when mixed with honey, is a great way to soothe the sore throat. If you happen to suffer from a congested throat, the lemon water can help you in clearing out the mucus and the bacteria, while the honey will be able to soothe scratchy, dry throats, while being antibacterial on your throat as well. 8. Can help you fight off a cold or a flu too. Do not forget about the great benefits that the lemon water and honey can bring to you if you happen to have a cold. First of all, the lemon water is rich in vitamin C, which supports the entire immune system and helps to battle any kind of illness. Second of all, the lemon water is a great way to stay hydrated when you are ill. The honey can help to give a boost of energy and vitality when you are not feeling well. 9. It will even prevent any weight gain whatsoever. If the prevention of weight gain and fat buildup is somewhat of a priority to you, then throw in the lemon peel into your warm lemon water along with the juice. One study has found out that the lemon polyphenols in the lemon peel prevented fat gain and weight increase in mice when they were tested over a period of 12 weeks. The lemon polyphenols have particularly targeted the white adipose tissue, which is known to be the less beneficial kind of fat in the human bodies. Now, this is a benefit of the lemon water we can definitely appreciate at all times. 10. It will fully cleanse your digestive system. The citric acid is a component of the lemon juice as well as some other citrus fruits that provides that sour taste. It is also considered to be one of the effective ingredients in a solution used to clear out the bowels prior to having a colonoscopy. All of this suggests that the citric acid is able to play an important role in cleansing the digestive system and bowel, in particular to helping in keeping your system clear and running in a smooth way. Cinnamon has been shown to reduce some of the bad effects of eating high-fat foods. This can help in an overall weight loss plan. Its effect on blood glucose levels can also help your body ultimately lose weight. Here is an incredibly beneficial recipe for lemon water which can help you reap all these benefits. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of cumin seed. Cumin can be used for weight loss as it is an effective weight loss remedy. You can lose fat from your belly as well as your whole body within just 15 to 20 days by eating cumin seeds or drinking cumin water daily. Cumin can help in burning calories faster by increasing the speed of metabolism and improving digestion. 2 sticks of cinnamon. Cinnamon has been shown to reduce some of the bad effects of eating high-fat foods. This can help in an overall weight loss plan. Its effect on blood glucose levels can also help your body ultimately lose weight. 12 lemons. 2-liter water. Honey, optional. Directions: wash the lemons and cut them in halves. Place them in a pot with cumin seed, cinnamon water, and boil them for 3 minutes. Then, leave the water to cool, strain the lemon pieces, and store the drink in the refrigerator. You can sweeten the lemon water with honey. Drink lemon water as soon as you wake up in the morning, on an empty stomach. The effects of this habit will impress you. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe and share with your friends and family.